FIG stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. So this is a quick one, but my break-evens got hit, which is very unfortunate, but it's just part of the game. And we recorded this as a +0R. I'll get rid of these drawings here. Actually, I'll still keep my supply zone right there, but get rid of these lines. And I will tell you one thing, that this is still a bearish range, and if I see a shift pulling to the downside, then nothing is in my way from taking things further lower. You know what I mean? I just took this candle as the full range, so that's why it's a little bit shorter. But the one thing that I'm hoping I see is just this. I mean, not that I'm hoping, is that if I see that, it's like a potential sell. Why still a sell though? Why not a buy when it clearly the price is still pumping up? Well, it hasn't yet broken the top, right? 90.60. So we'll keep you updated. I do have a bunch of receipts with Figma in the Discord as well. And if you want daily free stock price, stock picks, and emails to stay tuned and make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.